How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your iPhone much faster. So maybe your iPhone is a little bit slow, is a little bit sluggish to open apps, or maybe just perform basic tasks that they used to be super quick and now it isn't. Well, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make it quick, how to make it snappy. You're going to love it. And the coolest thing is, one, it works with any and all iPhone models. Even if you have a really old iPhone, don't worry, it will work. On top of that, this is a 100% free method, so it's a free tutorial, and also you're gonna love this as well because it's super easy, so everyone can do it. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so we're gonna make our iPhone much faster by cleaning the memory and the RAM. So we're pretty much gonna clean all the tasks and all the activities that are running in the background, just using our processing power, but really making our iPhone super slow. So in order to do that, as I said, it is extremely easy because we're gonna use this app called CPU X. Okay, so just go to the App Store as usual and search for CPU space X. So CPU X, there you have it. You can tap on the first one. It's going to be that green icon right there, that green app. It's going to say open because, again, I already have it, but trust me, this is a free app. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open it up, and this application is actually awesome if you like this stuff, because you can see, of course, your device, your processor, memory, your display, camera. You can see a bunch of stuff, and even much more. Run diagnostics. You can even do benchmark tests. It's awesome. But of course, the intent of this video is just making our iPhone faster. So we're going to do that by tapping on the memory tab. And then, again, we have a lot of information here, but what we want to do is actually go ahead and free up. So we're going to tap on that first button right there at the top. As you guys can see, my memory is at 96.3%, so it's pretty high in the memory. So it's going to say optimizing memory. So again, it's going to clean up everything in the background, optimize all the activities, the background activities that are not in use actually and are just using my processor, so there's no point. So it's just optimizing as you're seeing, and it just freed up 501 and 48 megabytes, so half a gig of memory. So that's very interesting and very impressive, because actually freeing up all of that memory is going to make your iPhone much faster. So go ahead, test it out, download and install CPU X, do that optimizing process of freeing up. So as you guys can see, now it is at 86%. So look at how lower it got because it is much freer. So of course your iPhone is going to be much faster, quicker, and snappier. Test it out and let me know in the comment box down below. And of course, if you like this video already, I would really like to ask you to actually just go ahead and hit the like button down below, the subscribe button, and the little bell icon, and everything else. And make sure to don't forget to comment. I really do appreciate it. And as always, I'll be back in a few days, guys. Bye bye.